this bug was flying around, yeah. So in Jamaica, everything they call news bug, flying around, come close to my ear, right at my ear, and then pitches here on my hand. I said, I was on this live, and I just switch over to my camera. So let me video this. So is this another news bug? Or we should have no news bug? Alright, so where my biologist is now. Get my biologist to, let's see what we can look at the receptacles, yeah? Wow. God. Where is he? It's not because I'm at this plant, because he wasn't around at the plant. He just came. So what news is it for me? Good news. Alright, good news. So you can picture me. Remember thing with bees too, you know? Hey, people who are around me, and you see that frequency, that the frequency thing that, yeah man, the frequency thing that I tell you, I just people for know for tap in. So persons who are around me know that when they see the bees come around, you know, don't ramp when they see the bees come around me, don't run him away, don't no money coming in. Yeah man, so it's a good while now I haven't like tap into them vibration, but yeah man, when the bees come around, I can look out for money. Yeah, when the bees come on my window, come anywhere close, me picture me or anything like that. Yeah, you know, cause as I said, it's just a vibration, you know. You can tune in, manifest, visualize. Yeah man. And yeah, heal your body too, healing. Heal your total body healing. Bring peace, tranquility, yeah. Peace in your surround your house. You know. Bring money. Yep. See the bug come back. I figure it's to my heart. It's a love message this. I love it. It's a love message. Where they come on, have me looking all around. Close to my heart. It's a love message.